Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling and disabling power saving mode on your Galaxy Watch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe up from the bottom of the watch screen to open the Apps menu. In the Apps menu, tap on the Settings cog. Scroll down the settings and tap Battery. Scroll down and tap the toggle to the right of Power Saving to switch it on and off. When Power Saving mode is switched on, the toggle will be blue, and when off, it will be black. You can also change the power saving setting for your watch from your phone. To do this, open up the Galaxy Wearable app and tap Watch Settings. Select Battery. Then, the same as on your watch, tap the toggle to the right of Power Saving to switch it on and off. When on, the toggle will be blue, and when off, it will be white. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Galaxy Watch tips and tricks.